we have facing a problem. This is a trockner. This is this is a dryer actually. I am going to switch it on, but it is not rotating. See, this humming sound is coming. It's not, the motor is not rotating, so this is dangerous. So I want to check, because before, when I was checking in, my daughter forget to put the filter inside. So I think something go inside and stuck the system. So I want to don't forget the filter to insert inside the dryer. If you have this kind of filter, you need to insert it. So I am opening behind the door and I am inspecting what's happened actually. What's the real problem inside? So I'm going to check it. That's a video today. Okay. So I just open the dryer. Okay.
So there is we put the clothes.
This is the belt, and so before touching the electricity, you need to unplug. So this is something fishy.
Something is fish in here.
So this belt is okay, but this is not rotating. That means something jam inside.
Come on, let's keep going.
We need to unscrew this too.
We need to keep going. So be careful that the screw.
Finally, I remove everything. Everything I remove. Completely dismantle. Now I am giving phone to Aban. Aban, hold this phone. Just write this. What is inside? It is very interesting.
So I think there's
See, this socks is obstructing inside. Now the motor is free. You see? See now? See? Okay? Okay.
Perfecto. Now we need to just put everything together again.
See? So, what is the advice? You don't forget the filter. Okay? So this is the lesson. Otherwise, we need to take this one with us and we need to transfer everything. Very big difficulties.
We need to transfer everything. So this is all the parts we found. We looked everywhere,
now,
but we didn't find anything.
Here, Avan, I will explain. See, this is the drum. In this drum, you will put the clothes. So this is the drum. It is rotating because there is a belt. You see this belt? This is the belt. This belt is helping to rotate. So this belt is connected to the motor. This is the motor. So the motor right now it's free. You see, before it is not rotating with my bare hands. So that there is a capacitor. You know, sometimes motor not rotating means the capacitor have some problem. Beware of this. Don't touch it. It will get shock. It will give you shock. And I will tell you one more thing. So now the belt almost trying to try to pull so that there is some burnout. So we need to apply some graphite spray here. So it will protect the rubber belt. And the other thing, we have some other problems coming to this particular dryer is, this is the 220 volt heater. This heater will working according to the thermostat. This thermostat give you the feedback and it will cut in, cut off. You know, if this one is damaged, this thermostat inside the drum, how much heat is available, accordingly this one give cut in, cut off. So still this thermostat have so many problems. So this heater, if the heating element is damaged, you can open it and you can buy the heater and you can fix it. That's all. You don't bend this one. If you bend this one inside the powder form, that's porcelain material, this will damage and crack and damage it. Okay. And some earthing system. This is a 220 what it is called, the input. So this is a controller over here. This is the controller. That is the switchboard. You see the See this programmed controller. You see, this is not a PLC. This is just a controller for this entire device. So only one side have some bearing, and this side no have bearing. This one completely depend on this what it is called. This is a special kind of material, like it is act like a bearing. This is a soft gland packing, I think, something like that. It's like a gland packing. It will rotate on the top. That's the thing. And the other side end of the motor is connected to the impeller. This impeller will help to suck the air from here. So suck the air from that side, okay, through this ventilation. You see this ventilation, backside ventilation. It will suck the air and it will cool down the motor also. Same time it will give air to the system. So the heated air passing through the drum, and from the drum through this side filter, the air will pass through the filter and suck through this turbo, not turbo, this fan, so this fan, and it will give this hot humidified air through this vent outside. So this way, taking heat air through the system, and it will rotate, and it will start to dry and collecting through here. It's going through this side. So this socks obstruct this entire thing, and later if it is stuck, so many difficulties. So beware of this. Don't throw any object into this. Also don't throw any without filter. Don't operate. So I am going to box it up back. There is an interesting thing. See this probe. This is a temperature feedback sensor inside. See, it's inside. So anyway, we opened it. We will clean it and put it back. So this will act like a bearing. Yeah. This is nice. Huh? See. Okay, so we will fit it back. Oh, this is drive me crazy, because I have a lot of works, and with that, this is also very big difficulty for me. Now see, we need to fix it everything. Once it fix it everything, then it will work very good. So we can check the connection. Okay, let me check. All connections are done. That's okay, very beautiful. Okay, we can continue to fix this backside and the main pipelines and the top one. That's all. Oh. Okay, finally we finish. I have everything done. Oh, perfect. Okay, just cross check it everything. Okay. Okay, done. Everything perfect now. Okay, we can start now. We can check it. We can connect these pipelines and we can start now. So finally, I connect everything. So I am going to insert this filter. So beware of this. So I cleaned everything. So without this filter, do not put the now it's okay. I want to make some arrangements there, because I'm collecting the dust particle and humidified water and everything inside that sack. So I want to make some arrangements there. So So I'm planning later I will do, because I want to use this heat for my house, for the so because of this work I am too much tired. Okay, so now everything perfect. We'll check the heat. Yes, the heating is working, so everything perfect, so we can continue the job. So once again, thank you for watching Electromarine Mania. Jai Hind.